Hi everyone, this is going to be the iPhone XR screen repair. Now as you can see, the screen is totally messed up. I can't turn the phone off, so I'm just going to have to unplug the battery. This is going to be the part right here. My current supplier was actually sold out, so I had to order from an emergency supplier. So this is what the part's going to look like. I know I have another video that I made like a year ago on the iPhone XR. But the way that you get these iPhone XRs, they come with these metal backs and they come with the screws already screwed in, as you can see right here. See if we can get a better shot. There you go. See how the screws are already in there? So it makes it very quick to do this screen replacement on the iPhone XR. All right, so let's get this started. So first we're gonna have to take out the two screws on the bottom of the phone. And by the way, everybody, this screen, this iPhone XR screen cost me $44. And in my shop, I actually charge $125 for this job. And look at that. It's like kind of like flashing now. So let's look inside. You just get your tool like this. I get a card like this, and I just wedge just like that. They told me that they've had this phone fixed like twice before, and they're actually on vacation right now. So go like that. And as you can see, there's yellow tape on there. I don't know why it's on there, but let's just start taking out screws. We're gonna take this shield out and we're gonna unplug the battery first. You lay out the screws just how they're out here. Just like that. You see how I'm laying them down right here? So these are 3 screws right here. And then you take this shield out right here, and then go right and unplug the battery. Go right to it right here. Should cut it out, Raj. Let's see. There you go. Battery's cut off. All right, so then what we'll do is, I don't know why there's this tape on here for. I guess because there's no screws. Or something. Why would you even, if you don't even have screws? Oh, I see. What the hell is that? It looks like this thing came off. Here, I'm just gonna take this out. What's the point of even taping it? What's the point of even having this if you don't even have screws? I'm gonna put that aside. All right, so now we got to take these screws off right here. All right, you see how I laid them out right here? 1, 2, and then 3 on that side? That's because that's how they look right here. So we're gonna put this shield with the screws, and now we're gonna unplug this ear speaker connection right here. So there's the rest of the phone, and here's the screen right here. Hi. All right, you guys, I'm back. I just had a customer walk in, and they dropped this phone off right here. Galaxy S10. Check this out. The display is broken on this one too. You can see right there? Display is broken. They said they haven't used this phone in like 3 weeks. I told them to come back at like 6 o'clock and it should be done. So I gotta hurry up and finish this right here. All right, so now that I'm back, I noticed that there's no screws in this screen right here. So you got a flimsy metal plate, as you see. No screws, no screws, no screws. All the way around, there's no screws. There's supposed to be screws in there. But that's fine because our new part already comes with screws. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this piece off right here. The hell, there's no screw there either. Is there? there's no screw there. Okay, so a bunch of screws missing from this. All right, here we go. The hell, there's no screw here either. So this thing only has 2 screws. There's supposed to be 4 of them. So where did that one go? Like this up here. So then we'll get this. This thing comes out. It should come out easy since it's already been worked on before. All right, this screen right here is no good, right? This is trash. So we're gonna grab our new screen right here that has all the screws already screwed in it all around, and then we're just gonna work our way in reverse. Take these things off right here. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background. Hooters is starting to get their evening customers in. So when people go to Hooters, what do? Drink alcohol. All right, so here we go. We're gonna grab this ear speaker thing, fit this right in there, just like this. It has a little groove so you know where to put everything at. All right, so now we have that in place. Now this thing will flap over like this. And then we can now put our screws in. I believe he had them here and then down there. So I'm gonna just put them back the way that the previous guy had them. That. All right, so now all we do is plug this in. I do it this way. So you grab this, flip this around like this, grab this, and plug it in like this. There it is, plugged in. And then I'll fold it back over like this, and there you go, right? All right, so let's put this shield in first. All right, so one thing I noticed that I see a screw right here. That looks like it's a screw that belongs on the screen, the old screen. We'll just put that out. I'm gonna look to see if I see any other screws in here, like somewhere fallen in. And I don't think I see any more. All right, so let's plug in the rest of the connections. Plug this in, plug this in. Then we'll plug in the battery. Battery gets plugged in last, all right? So we're gonna do this right here. I'm gonna leave this out because there's no screws for this anyway, so what's the point of even just putting tape there? So, all right. All right, so this thing will fold over like a sandwich, just like this. And you start at the top. Go side to side, all the way down. All right, and that, everybody, is the iPhone XR screen replacement. This is really like a 10-minute job, if that at all. If you guys want to learn more how to build a cell phone repair business, I've done it from scratch. If you're interested in it, I do have a cell phone repair course. It's linked in the description below. Any questions, contact me on social media or just write in the comments below. I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.